All right, guys, we are here today at the Braille house with John from the Zexy Zek YouTube channel. You guys know who he is. You guys already know. He does the video game on the thing with the video game.
That's actually perfect way to put it. Yeah, I couldn't have said it better myself.
So you started skateboarding.
Yeah, I tried to start a series where I was learning to skateboard. Now it's become more of like a comedy series because I can't figure anything out. But I guess now we're here, so I actually need to put some focus into it.
But this is a pretty incredible story because he started playing Skate 3 on his YouTube channel.
Yep.
And it got so popular that Plan B sponsored him and sent him this board, literally. So Plan B was like, hey, learn to skate, which I think is pretty incredible.
Yeah.
Your first board comes for free from Plan B. That's kind of a big deal.
It was cool when they sent it, and I tried to skate on it for the first video. I think you saw it.
Yeah.
It was just bad news.
Okay, so you have learned how to do an Ollie, right?
Barely, yeah.
So
sometimes without moving, I can do one.
So this is what I think we want to do for this video is I want to improve your Ollie, and I want to get you doing an Ollie moving. Okay, the other thing that he was like, I've never seen ground this smooth before, ever.
That's true. I only skate on like pavement and parking lots I can find, so this is definitely different.
Where do you live?
I live in Indiana.
And there's not a lot of skaters there.
Not really at all, no.
Wow.
I mean, I bet there's a few now that are angrily typing that there's a lot there, but.
Sorry, Indiana skaters. We know you're there. We love you. I want to see you do a few Ollies. I already think that I'm going to have you use these skater trainers because I think they're going to really help because, like you said, this ground is super fast. Ollie. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Yeah, do another one. Let me think here. This is what we're gonna do. I don't know if you've ever seen these before. Have you ever seen these?
I have.
Okay. Have you ever used them?
I have used them.
You have? Did you use them on your channel?
That's exactly what I did.
Oh, you did? Okay.
And I found them on Braille Skateboarding.
You did? Okay. Well, for those of you who don't know, these are called skater trainers. We've had a lot of success teaching new skaters how to skateboard by using these. You just put them on the wheels and they make it so you're not rolling around. Right. So I'm gonna put these on there and then I'm going to show you some things that you're doing wrong and have you correct it. And then we're gonna get you ollieing moving, yeah? Okay, so these are skater trainers. Like I said, they make it so you don't roll. Here's what you're doing wrong. You ready? Your foot goes up like this, and you kind of ollie like that. So every ollie is actually going this way, yeah? You need to slide up. Keep your foot going forward. What is that gonna do, you ask?
What is that gonna do?
God, such a good question. You're gonna slide up, and then your board is gonna go from this to this. And once you can level it out, it's like golden oldies. This is the practice step. Have you ever seen Skateboarding Made Simple?
I have not.
Oh my
Sorry.
gosh.
Okay.
Stand on the tail.
I skate regular.
You skate regular? Just kidding, stand on the tail. All your weight on your back foot.
All of it?
Yeah. Good. Now, go like that. Good. You're at least wearing your shoe in the right spot, which is a good sign.
So I'm on the right track.
You're definitely, like your ollie is there, we just need to get it better. Good, now I want you to go like this and then like that. Oh, what? Like karate, literally.
Karate.
Yeah. Did you do karate?
Taekwondo, actually.
Seriously?
Thanks for asking, yeah.
You and her and Fetty are all in Taekwondo. And then straight. Pop and do that and push forward. Does that make sense? Do you like understand the concept of what you're
Yeah, I totally understand.
Okay, give it a shot.
Just doing it.
Yeah.
Oh, another story.
Good. Good. You ready? Kick me in the face. That's what you need to do. Now do the same thing and land on the board. Good. Does it feel better?
It feels different.
Okay. Like watch my foot and I'll show you the difference. Like you're going like this. You want to go like this. I feel like that was already a lot better. Do it again. Okay, good. Suck those legs up. Good. Good, that's better. Now do that and land. Yeah.
You make skateboarding so simple.
Got him. Boom! Good, how was that?
That felt really good. It felt like I actually did one for the first time.
You did one. That was good. The reason I asked you if you had seen Skateboarding Made Simple is it goes over like, do this step, then this step, then this step. So the thing that's making it hard for you to do it while moving is you didn't get really good at writing.
Right.
Like you need to improve your riding.
Yeah, just like going around.
Yes. What I say in the video is like skate to the store, skate to school, skate to work.
Right.
Anywhere you're going, skate, and you'll get so comfortable just riding that then you're like, oh, it's no different standing still ollie than moving ollie, right? Okay, so we're gonna take these off. You can do it standing still, but without the skater trainers. Good, again. That was good. The funny thing, I don't know if he realizes he's actually like about that high. Am I wrong on that? Good.
I feel like I'm going higher.
I feel like that's really good. Yeah, we're gonna go right over here because this is like a little bit of a slant. So boom. You got that?
I feel it now.
More or less.
I'm feeling it now.
I mean, you know how to push, you know how to ride.
Yeah.
Let's just give it a push and then an ollie. Ollie. Boom!
That's closer than I've ever been.
Yeah, just keep it like exactly like you did when you were on flat. No difference. Don't let the fear of moving get to you. I don't know if you have that fear. Maybe you didn't and I just put it there. Well, you did it. That was first try. Boom! How was that?
Felt good. It's nice to like move afterwards too. It's like
Yeah?
I did one fluid thing.
Yeah.
Instead of just like doing it and then resetting.
Okay, now you're gonna do it in a line. You ready? Push, ollie, push.
Ooh.
Yeah, I know. I'm really asking a lot. Yeah, boy. I feel like I can teach him to front 180. Here, do it again. I think I have something else to fix. I didn't see his ollie because I was looking at his shoulders, but you did it, right?
Yeah, I think so. Did I do it?
Yes. So whenever your board is turning on you, generally speaking, your upper body is kind of shifting.
Okay.
And sometimes people will be like going that way, and instead of keeping their shoulders straight with the board, they're kind of like this.
Oh, right.
And that can make your board turn.
Okay.
So if your upper body is like that, then should be easy. So now that you know that, and now that you've done the ollie, the frontside 180 is an ollie while turning your upper body. So you're gonna turn in this direction, and then you'll do a 180, yeah?
It's that easy.
Yeah, you could do this. You could do this. First try!
Any tips on like the foot positioning or where I should be?
Yes, good question. The secret to this is to do an ollie just like your ollie, but turn your upper body first. Any like turn, it starts with your upper body, then your legs follow. Same foot position for the ollie should be. Might be easier to put your foot a little further back. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see how it works. Yeah, literally the first try you did was
the best one?
was perfect. If you just land it, you got it. Yeah. Booyah!
It happens.
Yes. Yeah, boy. Come on, you got this. You got this. You ready?
I'm ready.
What? Get out! That was good.
I appreciate it.
You landed it. This
Yeah.
is your first ever 180?
That was my first ever 180.
Wow. All right, so we came into this video teaching you to do an ollie.
Yep.
You did an ollie, then you did an ollie moving, then you did a frontside 180. Have you ever ridden off a curb before?
Not a big one. One that was like that big once.
Like,
Or
literally that big? Not even like a real curb
honestly might have
size?
been smaller than that. Yeah. So,
Let's
never
do
occurred.
that.
Okay, let's do it. Do I have to ollie off of it or can I just like?
You could just
So
ride
just
off.
ride
You
off.
know, if you want to be like extracurricular activity, you could ollie off, but we're gonna just,
That's for a future time.
yeah, off of that box. Before we jump right into going off of this, have you ever done a manual on flat ground?
Nope.
Not even like a little bit.
A little bit, but here today.
Okay, like so you're gonna ride and just go like, just lift up, just the ever so slightest. Just give that a go. First try, nailed it. You're gonna do that off of this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because if you don't, you go like this and you fall. If you just lift up just a little bit as you're going off, then you'll go off and land. I'll do it the way you're riding so you can see it. To be honest, the faster you go, the least amount of time you have to like balance like that.
Okay.
So don't be afraid to go fast. Good luck. Now the manual bit makes sense.
Yeah, now it makes more
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah, the funny thing is, like, you don't even have to go up into a manual. You could literally just hold it there.
And try to just stay flat.
Stay flat even, yeah. Because that's what you're going for, is for it to go like this. Boom shakalaka. Yeah, boy. I feel like he's really progressing in this last 30 minutes. I figured it out. Your weight is like here, so you're standing like that a little bit. Stand more like that. Less weight here. Like your front foot is gonna be on, but your weight will be shifted to the back. Oh! First strike! If you land it right here, we'll take you to Jamba Juice. Dang, you even had me shake on
I
it.
was just waiting this whole time. You need to do it, and then I'll do it right after.
Okay.
Back to back is the best way to do it.
Okay, back to back.
Back to back.
Full send. That was full send. Fully committed. Now do it again and lift up a little more. You kind of teetered off. You still landed it though. Keep that in mind. You landed it. You made it. Wow, it's got this all day. I think you got that. Yeah, that was good. It looked incredible.
Really?
Yeah.
Great view.
Well, we taught you Ollie, which you have done before, but Ollie while moving, front 180, and then ride off the ledge.
Can't believe it was just like one thing I was missing this whole time, and now I feel like I got the ollies way better just from that one tip.
Skateboarding is weird like that.
It
It's
is,
like this
yeah.
one little thing that if you figure it out or somebody tells you what to do, then everything else is easy.
Right.
So this is my concept. You ready? If you want to skate all over town, then you only need to learn one more thing. Ollie up something. Because if you had that, then you could ride off. You could go forever. You could,
Anywhere in the entire world.
anywhere in the entire world, you can go
that's
to
crazy.
Paris, anywhere.
Really?
That was rad. Well done.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
All right, well, thank you, and thank you. Subscribe to Zexy Zek. He has tons of video game, what do you call them? What do you like, what, if you had to describe it in a nutshell, describe it.
Let's play video games.
He just plays video games.
That's really all there is to it.
Yeah, and we do too. Okay, good. Well, you crushed it. If you guys want to learn how to skateboard, get skateboarding made simple. It will really, really, really help you. Skater trainers, they also really do help. And we also have a skateboard camp that we put on. We do private lessons. Pretty much anything that you ever wanted to know about skateboarding, we do it. So go to brailleskateboarding.com and check it out. And other than that, click right here. There's tons of videos in this series that will teach you guys how to ride one of these things. So he's going to teach me how to play video games, because if you guys saw the video game video that we made where I was playing the game, you might have seen that I might need a little bit of improvement. So those videos will be coming soon. A huge thanks for coming out.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Subscribe, like, leave that comment below. See you next time.